I recently had friends visiting from overseas and we went on this amazing road trip across Rajasthan. Hey, if you guys haven't been there yet, make sure it's on your bucket list. Ask me all questions possible. What to do, where to eat, where to stay, I have it all. Anyway, one of the places we stayed at was at an Airbnb. And guess what? As we entered the place, I saw there was a fully loaded kitchen and I was in heaven. So one morning I decided to surprise them all by making easy food with DG style breakfast quesadillas. And for that you need अपनी गेहूं की roti, eggs, chicken sausages. I have smoked chicken sausages here, cheese, butter, salt, pepper, spring onions. Let's get cooking. Turn on your heat source, pour in some oil, add in the sausages. I have used ready to eat sausages. Stir them for about 30 seconds to a minute maximum and put in your eggs. Nice mix. Add a little bit of salt, just a little bit, and a little bit of pepper. Turn off your heat source. I don't want the scrambled eggs to get very dry. And the scrambled egg is ready. See how easy? Now that our scramble is ready, it's time to assemble the quesadilla. Take a roti. I usually put mayonnaise on top, but today since I think we're going healthy, let's just put some sour cream. And lucky me, I always have some in my fridge. Take a nice dollop and spread it. Perfect. Next, scrambled eggs. Many times when you flip the quesadilla to cook on the other side, some of your ingredients may fall out, but it's absolutely fine, so don't worry about it. A little bit of pepper, some spring onions, top it with some cheese, a little bit of salt, and close it with your second roti. In the meanwhile, turn on your heat source. That's done. While this is heating, throw in some butter. I think this should be good. Gently lift it up and place it. Give it a few minutes before you flip it. In the meanwhile, let's butter the top layer. Perfect. Okay, it's time to flip. 1, 2, and 3. Who is the pro? Turn off the heat source, your quesadilla is ready to serve. Now that's what I call easy food with DG style breakfast quesadillas. Thank you for joining me on this episode. Do remember to subscribe, share and like. Thank you.